Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a really easy rosy pink makeup that I really like and enjoy. So I'm just going to get right into it. I'm going to put in my headband. I love this headband. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is spray my face with my Urban Decay primer spray. I really like this. It's really refreshing. The first thing that I do is I do my eyebrows, and I use the Maybelline Total Temptation brow pencil in the shade Soft Brown. My eyebrows I do really fast because I have pretty thick eyebrows already to start, so I don't really have to do much. So that's pretty much it. It takes me really fast to do my eyebrows. And then I clean it up with concealer. And I also put concealer on top of my lids to prime them. And I'm going to go in with my Modern Renaissance palette. And I'm going to take the shade Tempera to just set my lids, because you don't want to put shadow on top of the concealer directly because it'll kind of skip since it's kind of wet. Now the first color that I'm going to go in with is Burnt Orange. I really like this color. It's a really nice, pretty transition shade. And I blend in circular motions. A tip for blending is you're going to want to hold the brush towards the end so that the blending is a lot lighter and it'll make it look a lot less harsh on the eyes. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Love Letter. I'm going to take a little bit of this because it's really pigmented, and I kind of want it to give a little bit of a pinky touch to the look. I don't want it to be super pinky, so I literally just took a very small amount of it. I really like that shade a lot. Now I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible cream shadow in the shade Amber Rush. I'm just going to take my finger so pigmented and beautiful. It makes your eyes so sparkly and pretty. I really like this for an easy, quick look. So now that we finished with the eyes, I'm just going to use my eyelash curler. Now I'm going to go with my Maybelline Falsies mascara. I hope the lighting in this video is good. It's raining outside, so hopefully you guys can see everything I'm doing well. Okay, so that's it for mascara. I really like this mascara. It works amazing. Last thing that I'm going to do is take that shade Tempera again, and I'm going to put it underneath my brow bone just to highlight it a little bit. So that's pretty much it for the eyes. Now I'm going to move on to the face. I'm going to take my Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. I love this. It makes your skin look really smooth. And my skin isn't really the best. I struggle with acne. Right now it's not too bad, but it helps with texture and stuff. So I really like this a lot. It's pricey but worth it. I just take it with my fingers and I smooth it out. I smooth it out over my pores, especially because I have big pores. And I'm going to take my favorite Maybelline Matte Poreless in the shade 228. I love this, it works amazing. I'm going to take my dollar sponge from Shop Miss A, which I really love. I'm going to put some on it. I don't go in hand with my foundation because I just feel like it just looks really cakey, so let's put a little bit. You always start out with a little bit and then add, because you could always add more but you can't take away. So I let the powder sit for a minute and then I just wipe it off. So I'm going to take this big fluffy brush that I really love. This is also from the $1 website. And I just wipe it away. I feel like my face looks pretty smooth after all of that. And now I'm going to go in with my favorite Too Faced bronzer. And I'm just going to bronze up my face. I always do the side of my nose because I like it to appear a little bit smaller because I have a really big nose. So that's all I do for bronzer, really simple. And now I'm going to go into blush, which I'm going to use the Blushing in Bali by BH Cosmetics. And I'm going to take these two pinkish colors and I'm just going to add it to my cheeks. This really helps with the pink look. I love this palette, it's amazing. So just keep adding and adding till you get the desired effect that you want. And the last thing that I do, well, I like to spray my face before I put on my highlight so that it looks a lot more pigmented and bright. So I'm just going to spray my face really quick with the NYX Matte Finishing Spray. This stuff is amazing to keep you matte all day. So I like to blend it in. This also helps your makeup look a lot more smoother. And I'm going to take my favorite highlighting brush by Luxie. And I'm going to go in with these two colors. They're super pretty. You can definitely add, more or less whatever you like. I like to add it a little bit on my forehead, my upper lip, and that's it for the face. Now I'm going to add some color on my lower lash line real quick. Using the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to go back into the shade Burnt Orange. And then I'm going to go back into the shade Love Letter to add some more pinkiness to the bottom. Now I'm going to add some mascara to the bottom lashes. Now I'm going to finish my brows with the e.l.f. Brow Boss Gel, and I really, oh actually sorry, it's the Wow Brow. The Brow Boss I think is from ColourPop. I also really like that one too. This one's a little bit cheaper. And to finish off the eyes, I'm going to take this really small brush and I'm going to go into the highlight shade and I'm going to just put it on my inner corner so it looks really nice and bright. I feel like the look isn't complete until I put on my inner corner highlight. So that's that. And now I'm going to finish off my lips and I'm going to put my NYX lip liner on in the shade Sandstorm. And I'm just going to line it. I really love this lip liner because it's like a brownie like nude and it looks really nice with like so many lip glosses. And this is basically like the only lip liner that I use. Now I'm going to top it off with the perfect nude pinky color from Loreal in the shade Barely Nude. I love this for my pinky looks. Okay guys, so that is my pinky look. I really really love this look. And I feel like it looks really, really nice on my skin tone. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video if you guys liked it, and I'll see you in the next one.